This is a special type of if operator using the if conditional operator, and it is called the ternary if operators. And the ternary means we have three parts separated by if and else. So if the condition in the middle is true, so statement 1 will be executed. Otherwise, if the condition is false, so it will go to what is after else, which is statement 2. Now let's give a value of x. Let's say x equals to satisfy the condition, so let's say -2. And let's type the statement. Now we have the value of f because it's calculated the value and assigned it to f. So f now is 4. Why? Because the condition x less than 0 was satisfied. It is true. And for that reason, the x square part was executed. Now, if we change the value of x to 4, for example, which is greater than 0, so in this case, f will be 2. Why? Because here the x less than 0 is false, so the condition is false, and for that reason it's executed the else part of the statement. Now, the variable is optional, so it's not necessary that we have always a variable to assign a value of operation in the from the right side. For example, if we have the list here, as you see here, we have a list and we have operations to be done on this list. The first operation is sorting operation, the second one is appending, and both depend on the result of the condition. So A Now let's check what happened. So as you see here, it is sorted, which means that the contents was larger than 30. Let me check here easily. So sum A. So as we see here, because sum A was 43, the sorting part was executed. Otherwise, it could have appended 10 to the list.